Hey folks, my name is Sam Najjar and I'm a real estate broker with Royal LePage and the team lead for the Najjar Real Estate Group. Welcome to our June Greater Toronto Area Market Update for the month of May. Thank you for tuning in. May home sales continued at low levels from April, especially in comparison to last year's sales volumes in the early spring market. Sales were down by 21.7% in May 2024 compared to sales in May 2023, and they were slightly down month over month from April 2024. New listings were up by 21.1% year over year from May 2023, and they were also up month over month from April 2024. The months of inventory continue to increase across the GTA, leading to more balanced market conditions with the increased supply and lower sales volume. As for average selling prices, they were down by 2.5% over May 2023 and just up slightly compared to April 2024. We're clearly seeing selling prices adjust to mitigate the impact of higher mortgage rates. Today's real estate market is more balanced than it's been in years, maybe even decades, but make no mistake about it, there's a lot of pent-up demand. I keep saying this and I feel like I'm beginning to sound like a broken record, but there's still a window of opportunity for buyers, be they first-time home buyers, upsizers, downsizers, or investors, to take advantage of the balanced market conditions, because once there's a sustained decrease in interest rates, buyers will be facing more competition, which will once again lead to price growth. Be sure to watch our home buying tips video on our channel and in this email. Speaking of interest rates, the Bank of Canada cut its key interest rate by 0.25% earlier this month, and it was the first rate in more than 4 years. Inflation in Canada has slowed this year to a 3-year low of 2.7% in April. But even though inflation has stayed below 3% for 4 months in a row now, it's still higher than the bank's 2% target. This rate cut will have an immediate effect on borrowers with variable rate mortgages, just as they felt the brunt of the rising rates. Those with a fixed rate mortgage will not see their payments change until it comes time to renew their loans. With this rate cut, we should see more buyers start coming off the sidelines. There should be at least 2 more cuts between now and the end of the year, with the expectation for the rate to reach 3.5 to 3.75% by July 2025. TD is predicting the bank will cut rates 2 more times by the end of 2024, while CIBC and RBC are predicting 3 more cuts by the end of the year. The Bank of Canada's next decision will depend on the economic data, unemployment, inflation, others that the bank receives before its upcoming meeting on July 24th. They also have to factor how far they can keep easing ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve, which is only expected to cut rates once this year. U.S. inflation is stickier, and U.S. customers with mortgages are less impacted than their Canadian counterparts, as mortgages in the U.S. are for 30 years. My 2 cents is that this rate cut will have a psychological but not dramatic impact on the housing market. Remember, at the current interest rates, it's still hard for Canadians to qualify for higher mortgage amounts when they're looking to buy a home due to the stress testing that they're subject to. We'll certainly keep you updated on all these developments so you're well equipped to make the best real estate decisions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. If you're planning to buy or sell, or you're just curious to know what's happening in your local market, do not hesitate to contact us. We'd love to hear from you. You can also set up an appointment in our calendar, and the link to our Calendly calendar can be found in the description below. In the meantime, please like this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow us on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, TikTok, and Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. And please share this post with anyone thinking of buying or selling a home this year. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you again, and hope to see you soon. Bye for now.